Are you tired of boring ebooks that no one wants to read? Let's change that. Introducing Talking Books, the world's first AI app to create stunning talking educational books. This revolutionary tool allows you to create engaging storybooks, self-help guides, and even travel books in just moments. Say goodbye to static content, and hello to interactive reading experiences that your audience will love. In only 60 seconds, you can create a talking book that brings your words to life, with video, sound, and your face as the narrator. Your readers will never go back to regular ebooks again. Imagine capturing their attention with stunning visuals, clickable CTAs, and interactive elements. Plus, you can publish your creations on platforms like Amazon, Etsy, and Apple Books for maximum exposure. What's even better? You only need to make a low one-time payment for lifetime access without any monthly fees. This means zero risk and an incredible opportunity for passive income. Plus, you get a full commercial license to provide amazing book creation services to eager clients. Act now to embrace the future of reading and stand out in the booming $140 billion book industry. Don't let this chance pass you by. Click the link in the description below to find out more about how talking books can transform your writing and boost your profits. Start your journey to become a top author today.